Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at two extremely strong lever handle locks that we sell in our lock shop. We're going to look today at the 6000 and the 8000. The difference basically between these two locks is just the shape of the handles, and I'll show you that. There's three locks in this range. They all come in silver only. The first one has a clutching function, the second one has a clutching function, different shaped lever, and the third one we don't have today is the one with the non-clutching. My advice is, if you want to buy this lock, buy the clutching function, because it gives you a lot more security. Well, it just stops a lock from being damaged. Alright, so we're going to look at the Brava Commercial Lever 6000. That's the first one. Comes in a big huge box like this. First of all, it comes with a standard latch. If you do want a different size latch for a 60mm door, we have that as well. That's an optional extra. It's basically the same latch, just a little bit shorter. So it comes with a 70mm latch standard, and 60 is optional, and 127 is optional. If you do want the 127 option, you basically just purchase this extension off us, and that slides on the back right there. Okay, so that's now made it from a 70mm into a 127mm back set. The back set is from the edge of the door to the center of the lock, not the edge of the hole, the center of the lock. So that would equal 127, and that's an option. So it comes standard with that, no extra cost. Inside the box, two keys as normal, and a striker plate as normal. That's quite strong, stainless steel. Nice protective on the front. Opening up the box, just get rid of the box and the plastic. Of course, you have your instructions as well. You have your instructions, and you have your screws. I'll run through them. Now the screws, this is slightly different to some of the other commercial grade locks. Walking through the instructions here, the installation is the same with the latch. The hole is the same. There's two holes on the top and the bottom which need to be drilled. They're for the extra posts, which this lock has, which other locks don't. So 54mm hole with these two posts on top. Going on the instructions from this side, when you actually install this lock, most locks just have one simple plate that screws on and then a cover plate. This lock has the inside plate, the outside plate, and then the cover plate. So it's got extra metal, extra protection, and also extra strength. Okay, the screws, I'll just run you through them here. You've got two for the lock body, which is normal, and then you've got two which go through the extra plate. You've got the small ones for the striker plate, and a couple of small ones as well that go into the underneath plate. One of these tools here, which is used to remove the knob, you put the key in, you turn it, you push the little button, sorry, the little hole which is on the side. Demonstrate that there. This little hole, you would put the key in, turn it, push the hole, and then you can pull this handle off. The same goes for the back. You don't need to put the key in, you simply push that button in there with this little tool. That will remove the lever, so that then you can dismantle the lock and reassemble the lock, and also install the lock. If you wish this lever to be on the other side, you can simply pull it off and put it back on. Okay, so that's the lock right there. What I might do is just show you the clutching function as well. Now there's two types of this lock. This one here comes in two types, because this is the 6000. So the first model is with clutching function, so I'll just demonstrate that. When the button is pushed in, the lock just clutches. So if somebody was to get on the outside of your door trying to break into your house, they could just jump on this all day long, and it's not going to pull the lock or try and force the lock in any way. As you can see, the most important part there is not moving. Okay, I'm going to unlock the lock just by turning the inside lever, and you look at it from here. Now it's activating the latch, and the door is open. So you can go in and out with this lock all day long, and when you want to lock it, you simply push the button and then it's locked, clutching from the outside. To unlock, you simply put the key in, turn it, you'll hear it pop out on the back, pull your key out and push the handle down. Okay, to lock it, you have to lock it from the inside. Some locks also have another function where you can push in and turn this button, where the button then will stay in all the time. Not too sure if this one has it. I'll just quickly try. No, doesn't look like it has it. Okay, so just looking at the meat in this lock to start with, you've got your plate and you've got your first ring around the front. There's that much meat on this lock. It is super strong and one of the strongest ones we sell in the range. So if you do want to buy one of these locks, you first have the option whether or not you want the clutching function, and recommended that you buy the clutching function. I'm just going to put this lock aside. So that's a 6000 clutching and non-clutching. Now I'll quickly show you the 8000. This lock only comes in a clutching function. It doesn't have the non-clutching. As you can see, they're identical. They're identical in shape, size, thickness and everything. The only difference is the shape of the handle here. So this is the 8000. Once again, exactly the same. Clutching. The lock is not moving. When you use the key, it's undone. Thanks for watching.